E I be looking a little rough. Give me a second. Just like okay, yeah, this is a little better. Hello everybody. Today I am back again with a whole nother video, and today, if you're curious, we are reviewing the Crayola Oil Pastel. I've heard many good things on TikTok and YouTube about Crayola Oil Pastels from, I think it's CMS Bean or something like that. Here's his name. I can never freaking remember it. So, I've heard very good things about this though. So, as we all know, Crayola, it back in its prime, back when we were all like 5 and 6 and through 13 or whatever, Crayola was the go-to. When you wanted to do a scribble, we had Crayola. When you wanted to color your picture of a bunny, rabbit, dog thing, you had Crayola. But nowadays, we have graduated on to finer art supplies as artistes. So it's nice to go back to the basics and visit Crayola. Now, I'll admit, I don't really like Crayola that much. I do not like their color pencils. They're erasable color pencils, all that bull crap. They're quality craft kits, as Nerdy Crafter has says, crapola. But I have found that I've seen artists use these and they actually look pretty good. I'm sorry, you can see the reflection of my ring light. Yeah, that sucks, but it's not going away, so we're gonna have to deal with it. Alrighty, so here are the oil pastels. I forgot the YouTuber's name, but I'll flash it on screen in his TikTok from where I saw him from. But he's the one who inspired me to buy these and get into oil pastels originally. So a big thank you to him. Well, I don't know to thank him yet or not. I might just flop at this, but here's what they look like at first glance. They're very chunky fat crown-ish. This one's paper is not even on right, and they smell very, I'm not gonna swatch every single one of these, but they feel a bit dry compared to some of the moisture ones I've had. But I'll swatch one of them. Let me grab a piece of paper real quick. Pastels, like oil pastels, much. I've used them like maybe 2 or 3 times in art class, like last year, my senior year of high school. So I'm not a pro by any means, but like the red seems pretty pigmented. It doesn't seem very patchy. I'm trying to sound like I actually know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. Because I know with my art in particular, I'm going to be needing a lot of layers probably, and I don't actually know how to art with these, so, but they seem to transition decent. Not the best things, not the worst things, but I also don't know what I'm talking about, so there's that too, and I'm rubbing it with my fingertips. Well, I'm sure there's a much better way to be doing this. Like it's time to bust out the big guns. So, I don't know what exactly to say about these Crayola pastels because I've never actually used any type of oil pastels except maybe like once or twice in high school. However, so far it seems to me that these oil pastels are actually pretty nice. I only paid $7.29 for them on Amazon, so I believe they're worth it for the price. The only patchy ones were the actual purples themselves, the actual purple oils themselves. This is relevant or not, but I know in the beauty community, as said by Jeffree Star himself, what can be a hard color to make with eyeshadows and stuff because it is just a patchy and dusty color to make of the formula itself. So I don't know if this is relevant in the art community or not. However, if it is, it can probably explain why the purple is showing as a more patchy and harder to layer color, whereas the red colors and oranges and just all the other colors layering more nicely. They weren't showing any of the white of the paper, etc., all that, and the purple just left a lot more wax shavings and all that junk, and it just wasn't having it. It would just not want to layer on top of the other colors correctly. It would seize up and everything. I didn't get the chance to incorporate any silver or gold into this piece, and it really put on the packaging that it has silver and gold in the packaging, so I wanted to show it to you guys just in case you wanted it, the actual packs for that. So here is a little mini clip of me doing that here in the corner, or a little clip right here. Yeah. If you haven't guessed by now, yes, I'm attempting to do a poor drawing of the Hatter himself from Alice in Wonderland. The gorgeous Johnny Depp version, of course, because, well, he's a beautiful man. I was really influenced in the way I colored this piece by Black Bean CMS on TikTok and YouTube. You guys need to check out his channel. His art is so cool. He does like this colorful pop art instead of actually doing skin tones most of the time. He takes a bunch of random rainbow colors kind of and just colors his pieces like that. Um, I felt he's really the reason why I bought these in the first place. I really want to leap out of my comfort zone by playing with the randomness that throwing these colors together on the paper will do, rather than just shading his face as normal white or skin tone. I really enjoyed this style of art and just seeing him and seeing how Black Bean CMS did it, and I really just wanted to try it. And I will most definitely be attempting this type of coloring again because I just enjoyed the craziness of it and how different this piece looked rather than how I normally just do the basic skin tones. So when it comes to the art piece itself, I didn't really end up loving this piece as much as I thought I would in the beginning, but it was a very big learning experience for me. So hopefully next time I'll do better with this medium and I'll learn how to fix the anatomy a little bit in the face. I do love how I did the nose itself, but the eyes and everything just weren't working for me, and the color combos I did in certain parts of the face was just not good for me. But hopefully I can take from this and do a way better piece next time. That stuff was stinky. For anyone wondering, that was the Krylon fixable work stuff, and no. Alright, so my final thoughts on these. Listen, they're under $8. Decent quality. The pigmentation in these are actually very, very nice. The only issues I had, like I said, was with the purple ones. They were patchy. They weren't living up to stuff like the other ones were. The reds, the blues, decent. They were pretty nice, especially the reds. They were very pigmented, nice, as you can see in the video. Just all around very well. I'm not exactly extremely happy with how my art piece came out, but that's on me and my quality as an artist. But yeah, I absolutely adore these. Even the teal color, like that light green blue color, was very beautiful in this pack. It came down pigmented, and these are only under $8. Like, when you look at the other brands, like Selenity, I think, or whatever they're called, CMS just bought a pack. I saw it on his channel. When you look at the other brands and how expensive they are, and then you see the quality of these, especially if you're a beginner like me, I think these are actually really good for the price. All the materials that I use in this video will be linked in the description box below. You can buy this for under $8 on Amazon. The sketchbook I used in this for studying these, so I paid like $13 for that sketchbook, but I'm sure you can find it on Amazon cheaper because I got mine from Walmart. But I will link this branded sketchbook down in the description box below. I have a few questions for you guys before you click off this video. What do you guys want to see on my channel? I've been thinking about doing a Shein haul of like clothing and things. Do you guys just want to see art, or like would you like to see some cute stuff here too, like makeup and clothes? Because I feel like that would be a lot of fun for me. My channel is still small. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with it and all that. So yeah, let me know. Make sure you check out my Instagram. All my links and social medias are down in the description box below. And if you would like to support me, please consider checking out my shop. I am just selling handmade plushes right now, but here soon I plan to be uploading pin designs and all kinds of stuff. So if you guys wouldn't mind, click that link down below and just check it out. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!